I gotta tell you, that's the worst freaking gift
Well, no,
that I have
Kepler,
ever.
he knew this.
If you showed up at my house with a melted snowflake, I have bought you almost nothing. I'd be like, no, you bought me nothing.
Not almost nothing.
He knew this. It's a very funny book. So you get this insight into Kepler as a really witty kind of person.
Yeah.
So he obviously knew that.
Of course.
But the thing is, it's a very modern way of thinking, because he's saying that the symmetry of the snowflake has some cause. He says that there's a quote that's something like, I cannot believe that this symmetry, this six-cornered nature, can exist without reason, because they're all six-cornered. So there's a reason for it. And obviously we now know it's the water molecule.
Right.
We didn't know about molecules. Yeah. So he starts thinking about
Molecules
beehives.
way late in there.
Really a 20th century discovery.
Yeah. Exactly.
So he talks about beehives and pomegranate seeds. But what's
beehive with the hexagon in the beehive. Yeah.
So he says, what's that? What's the reason for that? Which again is quite complicated. And we figured out in the 20th century different reasons. But for me, it's wonderful because you see this mind, this modern mind, asking a very modern question, which is, what is the origin of this symmetry that we see?